I got a new Spider-Man key. Big difference from day one. You can actually walk in here. We got all the couches and most of the furniture. That's the last piece of furniture to come out. Get the whole kitchen ripped out. So we are going to close that door. We're going to remove most of this wall. It is not load bearing. We have some of the worst headers I've ever seen. So I guess in the 70s, that was considered a header. So we will be fixing that for sure. Because it's non-existent header needs to go. We ripped all the drywall out. This is going to be probably the master bedroom back here because it's the biggest bedroom in the house. That'll be the master. That'll be a second bathroom. Got its own little closet. Got a little linen closet right here. Got another little linen closet right there for the bathroom. We went ahead and busted that whole window out so we could get all the debris out. This is the last room we have to demo before the roofers come. The roofer's supposed to be here today, so we had to stop demo last night around 9 o'clock because it was way too dark to be able to see. But as far as demo goes, it's pretty well done. Got this little wall right there to take out. That's how you lock a door. You put a 300-pound generator in front of it. I'm going to try to save this. This is kind of a neat little fireplace. I'm going to try to save that. Pick it up, have it blasted and painted, and see if I can salvage that. But right now, we're waiting on the demo guys. We're waiting on the roofing guys, sorry, to do the demo of the roof, which is really not good. Got organic skylights. But we got to do some demo work in the garage in the back. The yard is looking much better. And by much better, I mean it's not 6 feet deep. But we'll keep working on that. We got a little 2002 Dodge Dakota. Doing some work, putting in some work. I think I'll be working on that today. It's got a check engine light and probably needs a new exhaust system and just some little minor stuff. It's a pretty good little truck though. Pretty solid. But you can actually walk around in the backyard, which is a huge improvement over what it used to be. We found the garage. It's not that great, but that's the beginning of day 5. So, see you in a little bit. Time lapse. So it's been a very, very productive first 5 or 6 days. We got the roof started, completely demoed the roof, got the roof started. We demoed the entire inside of the house. We got the whole yard demo work done. So we can actually walk around. Not very level, but we got, that's the rest of the roof. The back roof, they're still gonna do a little rebuilding right here. They're gonna do that this week. For our first week, we got a lot of work done. We filled up 2 of these 30-yard dumpsters completely to the top. So it's been a very, very busy week. Excuse the dog, he's been barking at us all week. We got the garage, all demo work done on the inside. We got all the windows bought. They'll go in this week, probably Monday or Tuesday. We got the first door purchased right here. This is gonna be our back door. Here's all of our windows. All of our windows right here. That is 13 windows for the whole house and the garage, which I think we came up with a really cool way to change the garage into a really functional space. That's going to be a fun one. So we're going to turn it into a pole barn kind of, and it's going to be a really cool place to like barbecue and entertain and hang out. It's going to be really neat. So whew, it's been a long week. We removed literally tons of debris and trash and old TVs. Man, old TVs are heavy. But we got a lot of work done in a very short amount of time. So we got plumbing and electrical, windows, roof, doors, all to do in the next 2 weeks. We will be completely dried in. Then we can start sheetrock and do the pole barn probably in 2 weeks. A pole barn, we're gonna turn that into a kind of like a party pad. That's what we'll call it. We're gonna call it the party pad. If you found this even remotely informational or entertaining at the least, if you think I'm a moron, whatever, put a comment at the bottom, hit like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.